Guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. For more videos, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell button to get notification. Today I'm gonna sharing with you a beautiful pattern wall poster. But before starting the video, I want to share you this beautiful tower gift box. Guys, it's amazing and a perfect gift to give someone. You can see how beautiful it is. Just look at it, guys. It's beautiful, and total 36 photo spaces are there, and inside this one small cute gift box also is there, so you can attach your photos also and you can keep your gift also. It's beautiful, right? So if you want to buy this box, please follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description box. Don't miss it, guys. For the first customer, I will give some discount. So order soon. So yeah, let's enjoy the video. For this project, we will need a glue, some acrylic colors, a paintbrush, a sellotape, a cardboard piece, mount board paper and scissor. So let's get started. At first, make the base of the poster. This is the easiest method to make a poster and it's so much easy. So the base is ready. Now take the sellotape and attach it randomly. Just make a design. Remember one thing, you have to use the oily part of the mount board paper, don't use the another part. Okay, so my pattern is ready. You can choose another pattern also. Okay, now just fill the boxes. Filling it properly, just let it dry. After drying, just remove the sellotapes one by one. for some places where it overlapped. Look, it's beautiful, right? Your poster is ready. You can hang it on your wall or you can keep it on your desk. It looks amazing and it's so much easy, right? So that's it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you really like this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and till then take care, bye bye.